Yung first two suspects natin, si John Alan de Guzman at saka to si Manolito Susano, they were arrested last July 24, no? After 6 days of hot pursuit and relentless operation. At ito namang si third one, yung middleman, ay na-arresto din. Actually, he was not arrested. Siya ay voluntarily sumuko doon sa Mabalacat Police Station at in-endorse doon sa CIDG. He voluntarily surrendered.
Sir, yung participation niya dun sa
Okay. Ang naging participation niya based doon sa investigation po namin at operational research, siya ang kumokontak ito kay Manolito, no? Kay siya yung nagbibigay ng nakikipag-communicate ng information at nagpadala ng pera, nakikipag-transact, yung participate.
We have a lead of their whereabouts, but as I have said, a case have already been referred to the proper court. And in fact, they should have been arrested. But then, siguro sumingaw sa media or they were informed that their cohorts were arrested already. Kaya nagtago.